inner part of Bakri is gonna be very spicy. See, let me connect. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again here deep in the forest. So, I've come here for the forest feast. A spicy food, one of the most spicy food. You will notice it today. The most spicy food you will see it today. So join with me till the end of my video. Chalo, let's get started. This I need to cut. Good morning everyone. Please don't do this in the forest. For now, I'm going to collect it properly. This is my earnest request to all my viewers and to all my friends who enjoy in the forest. Keep the nature alone, clean. Don't abuse the nature. And wherever you enjoy, but the trust over here. But I request you to leave all your footprints, not to throw all this dust. Thank you so much, and let's continue to make the forest clean wherever we go. Solo, thank you so much. Forgot to bring my chopper board. Where will I chop? So I'm going to just start this. So I've got lots of ingredients. This is my favorite, of course, ginger, onion, and garlic, of course, and many more masala I have. So let's start cooking here deep in the forest. So because of rain, the condition of my forest kitchen is not too good today. See this. Everything is ready. Kani kadai ka snare blanc. Kani kadai ka snare blanc. See. So my recipe is this, my friends. This is the inner part of Bakri. So I'll boil it first. I wash it with salt, with hot water, and for some time. And after that, I'm going to wash it once more to remove the unwanted smell. So let it go for some time. What I'm going to do is, see, boil it first, and I'm going to wash it again. Ayah! So let me throw this water. Oh! It's going to be lots of mess. Cool. So let me transfer this over here. Oh, the black one, as you see this, I'm going to peel it out and make it white. Yes. Let's clean this portion now before we start cooking. So kadai ka snir blanc ngin stang na ban set haklau kad hak style jong kinaga ma yai baro kadai ka snir blanc pai ala da pon bat ka khit ding bat ka sinrai pan pinja ka jingsma minta ngan kho na kana bayong pin khoi ta ma. Now time has come to clean the inner part. I have to clean this and wash it again this way. Scrub it like this and wash it again. Size, I'm going to slice this like this. That's fine. Now this also. Actually, the process of cleaning this is very long. Uh, I wash it in hot water and reverse the inner part, and then wash with salt to remove the unwanted stuff. So after that, I boil it throughout the water again, and then here. It's a very time-taking process. Very time-taking process. So I need to wash this. Here. Sneer blank. Man, shit. Shut bang. Shut down tu kan. This is the first time I'm trying out cooking this meat. So I request all of my viewers and my friends to kindly suggest me in which way I can cook and in which way I should cook to give a better flavor. And please kindly drop a comments how to cook this meat. Thank you so much. For now, I'm doing in my own style. So it will be a mixture of different parts of innards. That is going to be yummy. I think so. I hope it's going to be yummy. So let's slice like this. See, the karai also is totally black. So let me add oil. A little spicy. See how many. And let me add this ginger. Stir it for some time. Many masalas on top of the meat to eliminate or to remove the unwanted smell of the meat. Ang set ng snare jongka. Process of cooking this meat. So anybody who wants to join with me on my next trip cooking spicy food, please drop a comment if you want to join with me on my next trip. So let's continue stirring and then cover it for some time. Some masala. Let it burn for some time. Let it add lots of masala. Dhania powder. Okay. Stir it. My goodness. Meat masala. Spicy. Black pepper. Some of it. So you can see the king chili over here. Here on. going to be spicy. Let's add salt to taste. Be now properly mixed. I'll add a little bit of water. See this. Not much. This has to be dry fry, but I will add a little bit more. Okay, that's good enough. Now high flame is important. Make the fire big now. I need lots of firewood so that my meat will cook in the right time. Wow! Can you hear that? Whoa! खाना तो खाने दे, थोड़ा रुक के बारिश. Hadigom. Let's add this to have a better flavor, to enhance the flavor. Okay, that's good enough. Quite a lot. Let's see the meat now. Friends, let's start the mukbang before it rains. It's going to rain, so we'll start the mukbang now. It's cooked. Let's see. No. See this. Go ahead for some time. Wait for some time. Let me have my mukbang now. Chalo, chalo, chalo. And then my new table, as you see. I'm so happy I got a new table. Chalo. Thanks to my wife for gifting me a new table. My wife has gifted this for me. Thank you so much. Let's pray. Chalo, let's have. Perfect. Wow. Oh, mosquito.